In this video, I'll show you websites and apps that pay people quickly and for free. I often receive questions about how to earn money online fast, and it's a valid concern. While there are legitimate websites that pay people, many of them have a slow payout process. Let's take the Amazon Associates affiliate program as an example. Many people use this program on TikTok to earn money by reviewing Amazon products. They include an affiliate link in their bio, and whenever someone clicks on the link and purchases the product, TikToker receives a commission. It sounds great, right? However, there's one catch: Amazon takes 60 days to pay you. That's quite a long wait. If you don't want to wait for 60 days, this video is perfect for you. The websites and apps on this list ensure fast payment, usually within 1 week or less. The first website on our list is eBay. They offer flexible payout schedules, allowing you to choose between daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. I'm sure many of you are familiar with eBay, as it's the largest e-commerce platform for listing and selling items. Sellers on eBay receive a minimum of 250 free item listings each month, making it a cost-free platform for selling. Additionally, most sellers don't need to invest in advertising since they can tap into eBay's massive user base of millions of monthly visitors who actively search for products to purchase. For instance, selling digital printable products can be a passive side hustle. There's that store, for example, which has made over 2,500 sales. Their main products are PDF downloads featuring word art. Using the free version of Canva, you can create a similar PDF file to sell in under 60 seconds. When a customer purchases a digital file like a PDF on eBay, the platform automatically sends them an email with the downloadable link. This is convenient because, even though you can choose your preferred payout frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, as a new eBay seller, eBay typically holds the customer's payment until they receive the physical item in the mail. However, with printable products, as the customer receives their digital product instantly via email, this hold is not necessary. The second platform on our list is Prolific. They offer a payout schedule that starts with 2 payments per week and eventually transitions to instant payments. Prolific is an online research app used by organizations, such as companies and universities, to conduct surveys and gather data. Registering to become a study participant is free. Once you sign up, surveys will be available in your account every day, tailored to your demographic. Simply complete the surveys to get paid. Recently, a new user on Reddit shared their experience with Prolific, reporting earnings of approximately $573 within their first 5 weeks. This translates to an average of over $100 per week, providing an easy additional income stream. Most users simply answer surveys on the Prolific website using their phones while enjoying YouTube or Netflix. Since Prolific is included in this list, it indicates that they have a fast payout process. Once researchers approve your survey responses, which typically takes 3 days or less, you can cash out immediately on the next Wednesday or Friday. After cashing out 4 times, you become eligible for instant cash payouts directly through PayPal, which is even more convenient. If you're interested in joining, I recommend registering as soon as possible. Depending on your demographic, you may be accepted instantly, like some Reddit users, or you may be placed on a waiting list. Some users had to wait a few weeks to get off the waiting list, while others were approved within days or even hours. The third platform on our list is Etsy. They offer a payout schedule where they initially pay once a week and then transition to daily payments. Etsy is a well-known online marketplace where you can list and sell products that you design or create. As a new seller, you can start earning and get paid in as little as 3 days. Many people have now successfully earned money quickly on Etsy by opening a beginner-friendly store known as a print-on-demand store. They utilize print-on-demand services like Printify, where they select a blank item to sell. They then upload their own custom design or slogan to the item and list it for sale on Etsy using the Printify Etsy integration. The item is priced according to its market value, and they can generate sales from interested buyers. Similar to eBay, Etsy benefits from its large user base of hundreds of millions of monthly buyers, allowing sellers to make fast sales without the need for paid advertising. This makes it a cost-free platform for generating sales. The print-on-demand model on Etsy adds to its passive nature, as when a customer purchases an item, it's the print shop associated with Printify that handles the production and shipping, relieving the seller from those responsibilities. The seller keeps the profit from the price difference they set. For new sellers, Etsy holds customer payments for 3 days, after which, if the account is not flagged as suspicious, the funds are released. The best part is that after 90 days, this 3-day hold is removed, and sellers can switch to daily payments, receiving their earnings every day. Our fourth website is Presto Shopper, which offers a payout schedule of twice a week. Presto Shopper is a free mystery shopping app that pays you to discreetly review stores by posing as a regular customer. For example, there was a Reddit user who used this app last year and earned an additional $500. Every 3 months, they would visit a local mall, using it as an opportunity to earn extra money. During their visit, they would go to the Apple Store and the Samsung Store, and in just 40 minutes, they would receive a payment of $70 each time for their feedback and observations. Once your reviews have been manually confirmed, your earnings become available for cashing out in the next cash payout period. These payout periods occur every Monday and Thursday. Our fifth platform is Max Bounty, which offers a weekly payout schedule after your first paycheck. Max Bounty is a free affiliate network that provides a great opportunity to earn substantial income when combined with a free traffic source like TikTok. For instance, a friend has several popular TikTok videos that offer tutorials on using Canva. In her bio, she includes a URL to a link page that contains an affiliate link for Canva. Every time someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase from Canva, she receives a commission as a reward. In the past 30 days alone, she has earned $2,400 in commissions. This strategy has proven to be effective, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to generate income. Unfortunately for her, she made the choice to promote Canva as a product because she genuinely loves it. However, the downside is that Canva runs its affiliate program through the Impact Affiliate Network, which has a monthly payout schedule instead of the weekly payouts offered by Max Bounty. Max Bounty is amazing in that once you earn your first $100 paycheck, they switch all accounts to weekly payouts, which is much faster. While she highly recommends her strategy of creating tutorial videos to earn affiliate commissions, if you prioritize faster payouts, I suggest finding affiliate products to promote on Max Bounty. The only drawback, in my opinion, is that Max Bounty requires a phone call during the account creation process to verify that you are a real person. However, if you're not too shy, it's not too much of an issue. Our sixth website is a combination of TikTok and PayPal. The payout schedule is variable but can be as short as 1 week or even less. This method I'm about to share is a more advanced technique to earn money. Let's consider this user as an example. They have included an email address in their TikTok account bio. This email address serves as a means for brands to contact them and purchase sponsored posts. The process is quite simple. If you're interested in collaborating with a brand, all you need to do is respond to their email, state your desired price, and if they agree, create a video showcasing their product. Once the brand approves the video, you post it online. After posting the video, you simply send a PayPal invoice to the brand. They tend to pay out quickly, usually within 3 days. The earning potential is quite good. Most advertisers pay between $5 and $20 per 1,000 views. If your videos receive an average of 10,000 views, that would amount to $50 to $200 per sponsored post. Since some TikToks cater to a specific niche, they can charge on the higher end. Typically, their videos receive at least 50,000 views, allowing them to charge a minimum of $1,000 per TikTok. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.